Good morning, YouTube, and happy Monday. We're here with my son Kai and Diesel the dog. We're gonna drop him off at school, then commute into Anchorage, and maybe I'll take a video of the beautiful commute. And we're gonna work on finishing up that chicken coop, and I'll post a tutorial video on some paint prep so we can prep this stairwell for spraying. Stay tuned. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Thanks as always for watching. How's it going, YouTube? It's Remodel Rick, back with the chicken coop I built. I'm not gonna get too in depth with how to build this because it's not normally what I do, so I will give you guys a quick rundown. I just put some 5-foot T-posts 3 foot apart. I used a 4-pound sledgehammer to hammer into the ground, and then I added some 8-foot wood to the back of that and cut it down to a little over 6 feet because of the angle he has, and then attached chicken wire to the inside and the outside of it using a pneumatic stapler. I built a little spring-loaded gate up there, and then the top flap to keep them in is also it'll swing in so you can walk through. Anyways, this is not something I normally do, but I just wanted to show you guys the final product. Besides some Thompson's water seal and all that raw wood, it wasn't too hard to do, and I will definitely be back with some actual tutorial videos of stuff I normally do. And we'll start off probably with blowing some insulation in an attic and doing some tape off for spraying some paint and so on. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to comment or leave a comment in videos you'd like to see me do a tutorial of. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time.